Hello everyone, in this video we're gonna dive deep into this powerful website called Email List Verify. Could it be the best top email checker in 2025? Let's find out together. So to get started, Email List Verify is like a cleaning tool for your email list. It's an email verification service that checks if the email address is real and can actually receive messages. This helps your email marketing campaign get a real people. When you verify your list, you get better email deliverability. This means more of your email land in box and also no spam folder. It helps make sure your hard work pays off. And that's it. So talking about the key features and the best features about this platform, email list verify has cool tools to clean your email list easily. This helps you find bad emails and keep good ones safe. And let's check it out. So one of the best features and top tools you can use for this service is called Email Finder. The Email Finder tools help you search for emails on website. Type the website and it tries to find linked emails address, and also it's like an email detective. So here's another key feature. It comes with a verification summary. So verification summary is like a report card for your email. It shows good and bad mails and why. This helps you see how healthy your email list is quickly. And also it comes with a blacklist checker. So a blacklist checker shows if any emails are on this bad list. If they are, those emails could hurt your email campaign, so it can be easily removed. So it comes with an API settings and other effective integration and all of that key features like that. So talking about the pricing plan, it comes with a different accounts of mail list. So we have about 1,000, which is the price of $5 per month, which is the account of email. So on a first plan, on a plan 1, we have about 1,000 email accounts of emails. Then the other one is 5,000, followed by 10,000, 25,000, 50,000, 10,000, about 100,000 and 250,000 accounts, which is allocated on each plan, which is account of emails. So if you go for the first plan, you have access to 1,000 email with a price tag of $5. Then if you go for the other one, which is 5,000, you're expecting to pay between $17 to $20 per month. So if you want more information about the pricing plan for this platform or for this email list verify, you can simply back to the website to check more about their pricing plan and how it can help you. And talking about the pros and cons, it comes with a different wide range of options. So talking about the pro, which is the advantage part of this platform, it comes with a very clean list well together with a boost email success and has a helpful tools and easy to connect with a clear report given. And talking about the downside, which is the advantages about this platform, the price is very high, the finder is not perfect, then the advanced options are tricky, and the API needs an improvement. So that's one of the disadvantages being revealed about this platform. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this powerful website, and make sure you comment and subscribe and share.